Catherine, you want to go outside? Okay, go get your shoes. You want to go outside? Okay, go get your shoes. Go get your shoes, Catherine. And go outside? Okay, get your shoes. Okay. Okay, get your shoes. That's Mommy's shoe. Okay, thank you. Go get your shoes. Up the wall? What do you think, you're Spider-Man? Yeah? So would you like to go outside? Yes? Yes? Yeah? Okay, you have to get your shoes first. Where are your shoes? Go get them. They're over there. Go get your shoes. We'll go outside. Yeah. Okay. Okay, you have to get your shoes first. Yeah, go get them. Okay, get them. Good girl. Good girl. And one of Daddy's shoes. Well, I'm going to need one of those too. Okay, I'll grab the other two, okay? Alright, you ready to go outside? Look what you did. Here you go. Here you go. Okay. Okay, you grab your shoes. Daddy's going to grab his. We're going to go outside. Okay. Grab your shoes. They're right there. Get your shoes. Good girl. Okay, come on, let's go. Oh, this way. We're going to the back. Come on. Good girl. All right. Okay. Can you say bye? No, wait. Say cheese. 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 Okay, I'm taking a picture. Cheese. Can you say it? Cheese. cheese. No? Okay. Can you say bye? Bye. You just want to go outside. Okay, let's go. Let's go.